Artificial intelligence is transforming the job market faster than ever. From automation to AI-driven decision-making, the workforce is evolving. But what does this mean for you? Will AI create more jobs than it destroys, or is it a threat to employment as we know it? Let's explore the impact of AI on jobs, fact by fact. AI is not just about robots taking over factories. It's embedded in industries like healthcare, finance, retail, and even creative fields. Businesses are using AI to automate repetitive tasks, analyze massive data sets, and improve efficiency. Take customer service, for example. AI chatbots can now handle basic inquiries, reducing the need for human agents. Similarly, AI-driven software helps doctors diagnose diseases more accurately. Let's be real, some jobs are at risk. Roles that involve repetitive, predictable tasks are the most vulnerable. Jobs at risk: manufacturing and warehouse jobs, automation and robotics, retail cashiers, self-checkout and AI assistants, data entry and administrative roles, AI-driven automation, telemarketing, AI voice bots. According to the World Economic Forum, AI could replace up to 85 million jobs by 2025. But here's the catch: AI will also create new opportunities. While AI replaces some jobs, it also creates new ones in technology, strategy, and human-centric roles. Growing job opportunities: AI and machine learning engineers, data scientists and analysts, cybersecurity experts, AI ethics and policy advisors, digital marketing and content creators, AI-assisted tools. A report by PwC estimates that AI will contribute $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030, boosting job growth in advanced sectors. So, how can you stay ahead in an AI-driven world? Here are 3 key strategies. Learn AI and tech skills. Understanding AI, even at a basic level, can give you a competitive edge. Explore courses on AI, coding, and data science. Focus on human skills. AI struggles with creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. Jobs that require human intuition will be in high demand. Adapt and upskill constantly. The job market is evolving. Keep learning and adapting to new technologies to stay relevant. While AI creates efficiencies, it also raises concerns: data privacy, bias in AI decisions, and job displacement. Governments and companies must work together to ensure AI benefits society as a whole. AI is not here to take all jobs. It's here to reshape them. The key is adaptation. Learn, evolve, and embrace technology to stay ahead. What are your thoughts on AI's impact on jobs? Share your opinion in the comments.